In this video, we're going to learn how to use the CHOOSECOLS function. The CHOOSECOLS function is used to retrieve a specified column or columns of data from an array. Let's look at the arguments here in my example. I'll choose a cell and I'll type in equal CHOOSECOLS and tab it in. So here I have some arguments. First of all, I have the array. This is from where I want the columns to be returned from. So I'll go ahead and give it from A5 to C13. And how this works is I can have any number of columns returned in any order. I could have the first column returned be the second one here, or the third one, or the first one. But how it works is it's going to go ahead and have me count from the leftmost column, being column number 1, to the right. So this would be column 1, column 2, column 3. So I could have column 2 returned, which would be my first names. So I would close it out. And we see column 2, which is the first names. I could also put back my function, and I can say, okay, let's have a whole bunch of returns. So I'll go ahead and give it the array, comma, I'll have, let's see here, 1, 2, 3. I'll have the third column return first, and then the first column being the first one on the left, and then the second one in the middle. I'll have them returned just like this. Close it out, push enter, and here we see my CHOOSECOLS function in action.